Hey, what's up you guys, it's me Dizzle and welcome back to another video, and today please enjoy this picture of me with peanut butter on a spoon that I stuck to my face, cause yeah, we're getting places. But this week, I'm sorry for not posting last week. I had copyright issues, but today I am playing Blackbird by the Beatles on the guitar, so I'm sorry. Try to enjoy. I don't even know if I played the whole thing, but it's better than some things. Yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to see more stuff/crap and come back next week to see one of my other videos. I'm pretty sure I'm posting a painting video or something that has to do with painting. But guys, stay safe, stay awesome. Peace.